Okay, student, now we are going to revise exercise 2.3, the question number 3, in which we have to simplify the given values. Here is a radical number given, which is under fourth root 32. So first of all, we will introduce you that radical notation and the exponential notation. Here is a sign of radical. It is a sign of radical, and in the under the radical sign, the number is called radicand, and here the part which shows here, it is called the index or order of the radical. So here is a radical notation number given. We have to simplify it. So first of all, we will convert the radical notation into exponential notation. So the method to convert the radical notation is, first of all, put the parenthesis and write the radical number in the bracket. It becomes the base, and the radical notation index is 4. So we will write it 1 over 4. If you have the part index is 3, then you will write 1 over 3. If there is no value, then you will write 1 over 2. So it is the index. So now here it is the base in exponential notation, and it becomes the exponent. So we will first factorize the number 32. If we make the factors of 32, 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. As you know that there are the 5 factors of 32, which are 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. We can write these as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 5 times, and then write the exponent, which is 1 over 4. So we will make 2 to 4 times. We can write them 2 raised power 4 and then multiply by 2 and write the exponent 1 over 4. We make power of 2 power 4 because the exponent can easily cancel out the exponent of the base 2. So using the law of exponent, 1 over 4 exponent will multiply by the every base exponent. So 2 raised power 4 will multiply by the whole part, which is 1 over 4, and 2 raised power 1 will multiply by 1 over 4. If we simplify, 4 will cancel out 4 and we have 2, and if we simplify them, it becomes 2 raised power 1 over 4. So we write here 2, and we convert it into the radical notation. Again, the base becomes the radicand, and the exponent 1 over 4 becomes the index, which is 4. So our answer is 2 into 4th root 2. So it is the answer of question number 3 part 2. Now we are going to solve the third part. Which is 5th root 3 by 32. So in solution, we will simplify this radical notation. First of all, we will convert it into the exponential notation by putting the parenthesis, and we write the 3 by 32, and then we write the index as a exponent, which is 1 over becomes 1 over 5. And if we make the factors of 3 is already in simplified form, and if we make the factors of 32, which we have already made, 32 can be written as 2 raised power 5, then whole power will be 1 over 5. by using the law of exponent, 3 power 1 will multiply the whole power 1 over 5, so it becomes 1 over 5, and the 2's power 5 will multiply the whole power 1 over 5. As you know, the 5 will cancel out the 5. It is already in simplified form, so we will convert it into the radical form. So we write the 3 as radicand, and the 5 becomes the index over 2. 5 will cancel out 5, so we have 2 raised power 1, which is equal to 2. So it is the simplified form of this radical notation. So it is the answer. Okay, but if you have any problem, ask anytime, any question. I will help you out, inshallah. And as your smart syllabus, remaining parts of question number 3 are your homework.